Hello everyone, hello Virgo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your September love readings. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well. So let's see Virgo, hopefully we have some awesome stuff in love for you this September. First I will pull out 3 cards, your energy, then your person's energy, and then we'll pull 2 cards for your relationship, like overall energies of your relationship. 3 of Cups. So it seems Virgo here that you want to enjoy with your friends, you want to have a good life, you want to spend time with your partner, you want to spend time, you want to go out with them, you want to go for lunches, dinners. This is what I get. You want to do all crazy stuff with your person here. This is what you want them to go and visit your friends, so it's a card of celebration. This is what I see. You want to celebrate with your person, you want them to be a part of your celebration always. This is what I see here, Virgo. This is your energy. Now 3 of Cups. Also, it's like for very few of you, your person could be dating someone else too. So it could be a third party situation. Now this is for very few of you here. Let us okay, so let me see. 1 card popped out. Yes, it's 2 cards popped out, so I'll take both of them. So Virgo, the 3 of Pentacles. This is talking again. See, again 3 cards. So some of Virgo, definitely there is a third person also in this relationship. There is a third party situation it talks, but this is for some of you here. Again, this is again like you are putting effort. You want this always kind of you and your partner want to work things together. You want your partner to this talks about a lot of communication. You want to communicate with your person, you want to call them, you want to text them, you want to and fro messages from them. You are wanting this from your relationship. 3 of Pentacles, enhancing your love life, enhancing your romance. This is what I get with 3 of Pentacles, and you want lot of communication for them. You want to go out with them, you want to travel with them. This is also a card of travel. And it also talks about there are certain changes coming in, very swift changes coming in with this relationship. So 3 of Pentacles, working together with your person and wanting to communicate, wanting to spend time, wanting to travel. This is what I get. These 2 cards popped out, Virgo, so I took both. 1 more card I will just take, Virgo, because this was you have a lot of passion for them. You feel happy when you are thinking about them, So this is your energy. Okay, so this card, Wheel of Fortune. So I said there is some change coming here. It's Wheel of Fortune. Maybe I get that if you are waiting for some communication here, communication might be coming, or your person might be coming back. This is for some of you here with this Wheel of Fortune. I feel that either a lot of communication is coming, or your person, your ex is coming back, or your relationship, you'll be spending more time, you'll be feeling good, about things, so it definitely shows something positive is coming for Virgo in September here. This is what I get. Now let me find out your person's energy, Virgo. It talks about a reunion. This is what I feel. If you are waiting for a reunion kind, so it could be a reunion. Okay, what card? So this is your person's card. It just popped out. It's again fantasizing. Your person is fantasizing about you, thinking about you. You are in their head. They love you. They still love you. But it's in their mind. I'm just telling you. They are thinking about the time they spend with you. They want to hang out with you. This is also what I get here. So this is for some of you. 7 of Cups. This also talks about some of your person looking at option. Now I think this is more of a singles energy, singles who are open to love, because it's September love, or those who are coming out of some relationship and open to love might be looking at different options, the attention they want, so they will be looking at options. Okay, so let's see 2 more cards of their energies. Virgo's person's energy. 2 of Cups. Great. I mean, there's a lot of love here. Virgo season, so happy birthday. So to all of you, I mean, whichever date it is, but it's a Virgo season. So 2 of Cups, beautiful energy. So if it's a new relationship, it's a lot of love, lot of care, lot of romance, lot of passion, equal. The balance will be restored, within your relationship. So new relationship, of course, it's coming with refresh energy and all that, and those who are wanting the relationship back, or next coming back, or their relationship going through difficult time, it seems that your relationship will start with a renewed energy, renewed enthusiasm, renewed passion, renewed growth. This is what I see. It will move forward from here. A very nice card. Your person and you, I mean, it seems that you are on the same page almost, let us see one more card. What else? So love and fantasizing, and you are in their mind, your person's mind. 6 of Pentacles. I see. Oh, great. I mean, I haven't seen anybody's reading till now yet. This is great. So 6 of Pentacles. This talks about give and take. So it's again a balanced relationship. Here it's a pentacle card, so maybe some of them are working towards their money situation also, for their future, for your future, for their future. So yeah, this is a card of balance. You can see here equilibrium. So some of you, your person also wants some balance. This is what in relationship they may be also discontent. They may also not be very contented in their past, so maybe they want this balance to be restored in the relationship. This is what I get. Definitely there is a reunion for people here. Of course, being a general reading, not all, but I feel it will resonate to most of you here. There is a reconciliation, what I get, and whatever difficult times you have gone through, times will change for the better here. Virgo. Relationship wise also, I feel there could be improvement, and you will spend a lot of time together. Let me just pull out card of relationship here. King of Cups. That's what I told you. It's gonna be good. You will be loving each other, you will be staying together with each other, you will be spending time a lot, you will be passionate, you will be romantic. This is what emotionally both of you will be feeling good about the relationship. Even if it is started or a new relationship, it's gonna be great here. So this is King of Cups. Great, Virgo. So enjoy your birthday season. I think this is a blessing from the divine. Okay, so but I get for some of you here, I do not see there is a tower movement. Tower movement. Now, as the cards doesn't show anything here, but this could also, be about your change in thinking. This is what I feel. It could be a tower moment in your head. Some of them had given up that hope on this relationship, that it's not gonna work. Maybe that will change. This is what, because all the cards are almost positive, but there is a tower here. So something coming, I think this could be a third party situation. Intuitively now, some of them will be coming out of the third party situation, which will make this reconciliation. Now I get this, that you have 3 of Cups, you have 3 of Pentacles. So they will move away from their third party situation and come back to you. And this will be the King of Cups energy here. This is what I get. Yes. This is the tower energy. So they are moving away from the third party, some of them who are there, or a love triangle, and they are moving towards you. And this, again, King of Cups energy will be restored. So here I see this is Cups energy, water, Pisces, Scorpio and Cancer. Then you have the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, they are fire signs. And then you have earth energy, and then you have the Gemini here. So this is it. Nice reading, Virgo. It's a positive reading. So this is it for now, and I'll just pick up one angel guidance for you, and that will help in your love life. Follow the guidance and it's gonna help you. Okay, illusion. So it's like embrace the truth. So whatever you had thoughts in your mind, so truth is coming out, embrace it. That is what it says. So this is it for now. Till then, take care of yourself. And if you do like my readings, if it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. So stay blessed. Bye.